Hi, I'm Liz from Twit, and I'm reviewing the Distill Union Snooze. So the design of this is you actually get this piece of wood with this piece of rubber for 35 bucks. This is the free app that comes with it, which is like Candy Crush. It only comes with 3 things, and you have to buy more packages for more money to get anything. You get this. You get 3 ringtones and nothing else. I didn't know there was a simple thing where you actually just glide your finger to make this dim. Nope, I found that out by accident. No instructions. Oh, there's my alarm. Wait, let's see if I can do it, guys. Oh, success! That normally doesn't happen. Oh. Since iOS 7 came out, this is really redundant. Now when the alarm goes on, you can actually just tap your phone and it will snooze. You don't need to buy this for $35 and have it so that you feel like a blind person trying to figure out what you're reading. This isn't necessary. And this is only for the iPhone 4 and 5. So, for my pros and cons. Pro, I really like the design and the effort that was behind this. This seems like something great. If you're actually going to be hitting snooze and need to have easily accessibility of your phone, unplug, this won't actually go anywhere like it claims. Yay, good idea. But 35 bucks in the app, which you have to keep paying more and more money for, didn't make this worthwhile. So for my cons. My con is it's 35 bucks. I could have someone make this at woodshop and it wouldn't cost this much. No, something more prettier, something that actually was more functional. Also the app, it comes with slim to nothing. It's like Candy Crush. If you want to actually use it for all its prettiness and what it's designed for, you have to pay more money. So as you might have guessed, I'm gonna give this a don't buy. Love the idea. Hope the second generation will be greater with iOS 7 since it's iOS only. So that was my review of the Distill Union Snooze.